Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more video related to data analysis, and today I'm gonna give you some clues regarding data visualization. So I'm gonna give you ideas to create your first design for your dashboards, okay? So check it out. So here guys, you can see my screen. So just go to your search engine and then you have to type Dribbble, then enter, and you will see this first website here called Dribbble. So click it once in this and you will see this part. When you go to this part, you have just to sign up first, okay? Before using, you have to sign up. It's for free, so don't worry, just sign up and then move on to this part, to this search bar over here. In this search bar you will type dashboards, for example, and then enter. Then you will see the results related to dashboards. What is Dribbble? Okay, Dribbble is a website when designers, UI designers, just create some ideas and then upload it in the website in order to share with the world the ideas. Sometimes they share with the goal to be hired for someone else. Sometimes they share just to create a portfolio. Sometimes it's just to share knowledge, okay? And usually people from design areas, they use this website Dribbble to get some insights related to design. In our case, we can use for get ideas, insight to design our dashboard. So that's why I put it dashboards over here, and then I can see the results below in this part. So there are a lot of ideas. Sometimes guys, you can be more specific. For example, I wanna work with dashboards related to sales, so I'm gonna put it just sales dashboard and then enter. And as a result, I can see a lot of dashboards related to sales. And how Dribbble just organized this dashboard, it's because someone that created just put it some tags related to sales. So sometimes you will see the results with the KPIs that you are looking for, sometimes not. But even in this that is not so good for you, don't fit that much for you, but you can see the ideas, the insights. So you can just use it. For example, I click in this one, and in my case, net benefit is it's not so good for my company, but I can just replace this number for example, total sales. Okay, and in this case, there's a reference earnings here. I can put it, for instance, sales, monthly sales, for example. So you can use the idea, the structure, and then you replace the information. And when you decided, when you already decided the dashboard that better fit for you, you can just click in the image. For example, I'm gonna use this one. So I click once, then right button in our mouse, and then you can save image as, and you will save in your computer. After that, you can just use this structure to design your dashboard, okay? This is just the first step. This is just the insight, okay? You cannot work with this structure to create your dashboard. You have just to use this as an idea, and then you can design it. In future videos, I will show you how to design, for example, this idea on PowerPoint. But if you are someone an expert in Figma, for example, you can use Figma to design your dashboard, to design your idea based on these insights over here, okay? That's why Dribbble is so important, because sometimes there's some trend designs in the world and you don't have any idea because you are not from design areas. So you can use, in this sense, Dribbble just to get the most accurate ideas, the most accurate insights. All right, So guys, that's Dribbble, how Dribbble works. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to thumbs up and just leave some comments below related to this platform, how to use it, if you use it, how you use it, or if you have another idea, another platform, please share with us in the comments below, okay? That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.